number of units sold into selling price per unit, number of units purchased, cost per unit. The expected return is equal to alpha into maximum payoff plus 1 minus alpha into minimum payoff. Hello my dear student. Very good morning to one and all. I am Dr. B.S. Subramanian, called by name Dr. BSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram, First Grade College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. I am going to handle Statistics for Management 2, 6th semester, Unit 3, Session 4 of B.B.A. in favor of decision making. We already dealt in the last 3 sessions about this problem. This is the 4th problem which you are going to do it. So we'll move on to problem now. A flower vendor buys fresh fruits, rupees 1,000 per box, and sells at rupees 2,500 per box. A flower vendor buys fresh fruits, rupees 1,000 per box, and sells at 2,500 per box at a profit of 1,500. The demand varies from 10 to 14 boxes. So there's a demand for 10 boxes, 11 boxes, 13 boxes, and 14 boxes. Per day, prepare a payoff table and opportunity loss table. Find out the best alternative, maximum criteria, minimax criteria, Laplace criteria, and Hervey's when alpha is 0.5. First, we move on to payoff table. Payoff table. Number of units sold, number of units sold multiplied by selling price per unit minus number of units purchased into cost per unit. This is a formula. Payoff table. Number of units sold into selling price per unit, number of units purchased, cost per unit. So here, 4 alternatives. A1, one alternative. A2, 11. A12, this is 10 to 14, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And same status quo will be there. So we'll move on. When demand is 10 boxes, that is A1 is equal to 10. Same formula, you have to see that. So how many boxes are there? 10. So it has been sold at rupees 2,500. This is P11. 10 into 2,500 minus 10 into cost plus 1,000. P21, 10 into 2,500 minus 10 into 1,000. Rotation system. P31, 10 into 2,500 minus 10 into 1,000. Then P41, 10 into 2,500 minus 10 into 1,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So P51, 10 into 2500 minus 10 into 1000. This see that A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, 5 times. So multiply 10 into 2500, 25,000 minus 10 into 1000, 10 into 1000, 10,000, it is 15,000. Same thing for all. P2 also 15,000, 15,000, 15,000, 15,000. This goes in favor of when demand is 10 boxes, we have got like this. Then when demand is 11 boxes, that is A2 is equal to 11, you have to write here P 12 is equal to, first 10 into 250 minus, so here 11 into 1000, then P22, here 11 into 250, 2500 minus 11 into 1000, then P 22, 32. This is 11 into 2500 minus 11 into 1000. Okay, then here P 42, 11 into 2500, then 11 into 1000. One, two, three, four. P52. 11 into 2500 minus 11 into 1000. Rotation system. I will explain. First 10, 10, 10 you have to take. Then 10, 11, 11, 11. Next 10, 11, 12, 12 you have to take like. We'll multiply this. 10 into 2500. 25,000 minus 11 into 1000, 11 into 11,000, 25 minus 11 is 14,000, then 11 into 2500, 27,500 minus 11,000, 27,500 minus 11,000 is equal to 16,500. Same thing. 11 into 1000, 16,500. Next, 16,500, 16,500. This goes when it is 11 boxes. Then demand for 12 boxes. A3 is equal to 12. A3 is equal to 12. So 12. P13, slowly, 10 into 2500 minus 12 into 1000. Then P23, this is 11 into 2500 minus 12 into 1000. P33, 12 into 2500, 12 into 1000. Then P43, 12 into 2500 minus 12 into 1000. So 1, 2, 3, 4. P53, 12 into 2500 minus 12 into 1000. This is 12. We'll go with 10 into 2500, 25,000 minus 12 into 1000, 12,000. It works out 13,000. Then 11 into 2500, 27,500. 12 into 1000, 12,000. 27,500 minus 12,000, 15,500, 15,500. Then 12 into 2,500, 12 into 2,500, 30,000 minus 12,000. We'll repeat. 2,500 into 12, 30,000 minus 12,000, 18,000. Same. 18,000. Same. 8. So this is 13,000, 15,500, 18,000, 18,000. So now demand for 13 boxes. A4 is 13. P14, 10 into 2,500 minus 13 into 1,000. Then P24, 11 into 2,500 minus 13 into 1,000. P34, 12 into 2,500 minus 13 into 1,000. So you can write it here. Then P44, so 11, 12, 13 into 2,500 minus 13 into 1000. P 54, 13 into 2500 minus 13 into 1000. Slowly. 25,000 minus 13,000 is 12,000. Then 2,500 is 25,000 minus 13,000, 12,000. How will come? 11 into 2,500, 27,500 minus 13,000, 14,500. So 12 into 2,500, 30,000 minus 13,000, 17,000. Then this is 13 into 2,500, 32,500 minus 13,000, 19,500. Then 2,500 into 13, 32,500 minus 13,000, 19,500. So 13 boxes over. Then A4, 14 boxes, 14 boxes, demand 14 boxes. First one, 10 into 2,500 minus 14 into 1,000. Then 11 into 2,500 minus 14 into 1,000. This goes in favor of P15, P25, P35, 12 into 2,500 minus 14 into 1,000. P45, 13 into 2,500 minus 14 into 1,000. P55, 14 into 2,500 minus 14 into 1,000. So 20, 14. So 20, 10 into 2,500, that is 25,000 minus 14,000, 11,000. So 2,500 into 11, 27,500 minus 14,000, 13,500, 13,500. 12 into 2,500, 30,000 minus 14,000, that is 16,000. Then 13 into 2,500 minus 14,000, 18,500. 14 into 2,500, 35,000 minus 14,000, 21,000. So this is one side. Now you have to construct payoff table. Payoff table. S1, S2, S3, S4, S5. State of nature. Then alternatives A1, A2, A3, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. See that demand? 14 boxes. A1, 14, A5 is 14. So A1 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 boxes. So first answer A1, when the demand is 10 boxes, so 15, all 15 will come. So A1, 15,000, 15,000, 15,000, 15,000, 15. This is the answer of A1. Then come back to A2, 11. First is 14,000, 14,000. A2 is 14,000, 16,500, 16,500, 16,500, 16,500. Then A3, 13,000. Next, 15,500. Then 18,000, 18,000, 18,000. A4. This is 12,000, 14,500, then 17,000, then 19,500, 19,500. It goes. A5, 11,000, 13,500, 13,500, 16,000, 18,500, 21,000. So this is your payoff table. Now you must be very careful. You have to do it. So what's the first one? Maximax is asking. Whichever the highest A1. Maximax criteria. Maximax criterion. Highest. In the A1, which is the A1? A1 is 15. A2 highest, 16, 15. A3 highest, 18,000. A4 highest, 19,500. A5 highest, 21,000. So highest is 21. Highest is 21,000. A5 is the best act. A5 is the best tax. Then regret table you have to construct. Regret table. You have to construct regret table. So slowly S1, S2, S3, S4, S5. Here A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Can go to A5. We want the what's called regret table. Which is the highest one in the row? 15,000 is the 0. Next, 14,000 is 1,000. Then 13,000 is 2,000. A4, 12,000 is 3,000. A5, 11,000 is 4,000. Then, next line, which is the highest one? Second one, 16,500, 15 means 1,500. 0, highest we have to take. Here, 18,000 is there, no? So 18,000 is the highest. So 15,000 means 3,000. Next, you got 16,500, 17,500. Then 18,000 is equal to 0. Then 17,000 is 1,000. 16 is 2,000. 0. S2. Here, come back. S2. You got 16,500, 1,500. 15,500 means 1,000. Then 14,500, 2,000. 13,500, 3,000. Lowest one. S2, S3 over. S4, this over. This is your highest. Over. Here, which is the highest one? 19,500. 15 means 4,500. Here, 16,500 means 3,000. 3,000. Then 18 means 1,500. 0. Then 1,000. Last one. S5, which is highest one? 21,000. 15,000 gone. 6,000. 16,500 gone. 21,000 minus 16,500. 4,500. Then 18,000 means 3,000. Then 19,500 on 520, 1,500. 0. Now, among the regret table, this is regret table, which is the highest one? A1, 6,000. A2, highest is 4,500. In the regret table, slow, highest is A3, 3,000. A4, A4. So A1 6,000, A2 4,500, A3 3,000, A4 3,000, A5 4,000. This is the minimum one. Among the whichever highest, A1 is the best act. So first you have to select minimum here, no? Among the maximum, minimum 0, no? Among, this is your minimum you have got. Along them, which is the maximum one, 6,000 is the best act. Okay. Then this over. Then Laplace criteria. First in the payoff table. Payoff table. You have to add. This is 15 into 75,000. Add this. This is 14,000. 14,000 plus 16,500 plus 16,500 plus 16,500 plus 16,500. 80,000. Then A3, 13,000 plus 15,500 plus 18,000 plus 18,000 plus 18,000, 82,500. Then A4, 12,000 plus 14,500 plus 17,000 plus 19,500 plus 19,500. 82,500. How will be? 82,500. Then 11,000 plus 13,500 plus 16,000 plus 18,500 plus 21,000. 80,000. Now, come back here. Laplace method. A1. How much you got? 75,000 divided by 5. 15,000. A2. 80,000 divided by 5. 16,000. A3. 82,500 divided by 5. 82,500 divided by 5. 16,500. A4. 82,500 divided by 5. 16,500. A5. 80,000 divided by 5. 16,000. So which is the highest one? 16,500. 16. So A3 and A4 is the best act. So add and divide. Last one. So Herbie's criteria. Criterion. How it is be? Expected return is equal to alpha into maximum payoff plus 1 minus alpha into minimum payoff. The last one, expected return is equal to alpha into maximum payoff plus 1 minus alpha into minimum payoff. For each one, you have to calculate up the payoff table. Come back to payoff table here. Come back to your payoff table. This is your payoff table. Which is the highest one? 15,000. Which is the lowest one? 15,000. What's your alpha? What's alpha? Say 0.5. So 0.5 into 15,000 plus 1 minus 0.5 into 15,000. So 15,000 into 0.5, 7,500 plus 7,500 is equal to 15,000. First one. This is first one, number one. Number two, payoff table. Number two. So, which is the highest one? 16,500. Which is the minimum? 14,000. So, 0.5 into highest is 16,500 plus 1 minus alpha into your minimum is 14,000. So 16,500 into 0.5, 8,250 plus this is your 14,000. 0.5 means 7,000. 15,250. This is A2. Then come back to A3. Highest one, this over there. Highest one is 18,000. Lowest one is 13,000. 0.5 into 18,000 plus 1 minus 0.5 into minimum is 13,000. So 18,000 into 0.5 is 9,000. 0.5 into 13,000. 0.5 into 13,000. 6,500. This is 15,500. Then A4. Come back to A4. A4, which is highest one? 19,500. Lowest is 12,000. 0.5 into 19,500 plus 1 minus 0.5 into minimum is 12,000. So 19,500 into 0.5, 9,750 plus this is 12,000 into 0.5, 6,000, 15,750. A5, last one. Highest one, A5, 11,000, 21,000. 0.5 into 21,000 plus 1 minus 0.5 into 11,000. Check up this. 11,000. So 21,000 into 0.5. 21,000 into 0.5. 10,500 plus 11,000 into 0.5, 5,500, 15,500. So, which is the highest one? See that? First one, 15,000, 15,000. So, 15,750. A4 is the best at. First, you have to construct the Payoff table. Number of units sold multiplied by selling price per unit into number of units purchased per unit. Carefully, you have to work out. Then you have to construct the table, payoff table, regret table. First, lowest you have to find. Among the which is highest, you have to calculate. Here, best alternative, then alpha into maximum payoff. Hope you understand. We'll have some more problem on the same type in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.